Everyone, I'm Doga and this is Rhythm's recording and this is our dream keyboard, and we have LEDs here, we have axis, we have LCD here, and this is just a question mark while we are not playing.
Yep.
And I can just
if you press a note, then the LED will light up. Yeah. So the LED starts lighting up, and then the LEDs on the board and the hex starts lighting up as well, and the LCD display tells you what note you're playing as you're playing. There's a bit of a delay, but it works.
And we can also play two notes at the same time.
Yep. Basically what happens is the frequencies are combined.
Just go F and G, whatever.
Yeah, sure. If you press F and G together, so F was pressed first, so it shows up on the LCD, and then the hex and the lights show the combined frequency of the two.
And when I leave F, it just goes back to G, and G's frequency.
And then you can see the frequency and the lights are different.
You see the LED here.
Yeah. So it's monophonic, so you can't play chords, but yeah, you can still press two notes at the same time. And yeah, so basically the way this code works is originally you would set switches to a certain frequency and it would light up. I mean, it would play the note. So we had to figure out which frequency and which switch combinations were which frequency, and then we could basically have it tuned. So G is like, for example, like 342 hertz or megahertz, I think, or millihertz, something like that. And basically, yeah, so each button was hooked up to the GPIO cable of the
GPIO.
Yeah. You can actually use the buttons as inputs in the code. So basically every button is a certain switch combination.
The hardest part now?
Yeah, the hardest part was the wiring, which has every button wired to the GPIO board as inputs, but also there's outputs coming from this side to all the LEDs for each button when you press it. And we had to use resistors for the LEDs because the LEDs are 1.8 volt, and the voltage coming out of the board is
3.3?
3.3, yeah.
Yeah.
So,
do you want to play something?
Yeah, sure. Rush.
Oh, we started to make people nervous, so thanks everyone.